Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we were in Schenectady, New York, and we decided to go check out the Rivers Casino. We had just got done getting hit with a snowstorm and the sun came out, and when the sun hits that snow, it does look pretty beautiful if you ask me. But anyway, yeah, we went out and checked out Rivers Casino. I thought this place was going to die out, but I've always seen this place packed on the weekends especially. So before we get into the tour, quick shout out to Brendan for the generous donation on my PayPal account. And if you guys want to donate, you're always welcome to. If not, it's not necessary, but all the donations go directly back into the videos. Let's get into the video and we will see you soon. Peace. All right, guys, so we were able to get through the gate here and actually get a look at these condos or apartments or townhouses, whatever they are, and it was actually pretty cool. I thought they were pretty unique, something cool to look at. But anyway, we're going to circle around, head back. Comment below, let us know what you think of these condos. What do you think of these apartments over here? There's also a hotel over here that's right next to the casino. Could you live right next to the casino? Comment below, let us know what you think.